Understanding twig on, exploring an uncommon English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a rather interesting and not so common English phrase, twig on. If you've heard this phrase before and wondered what it means, or if it's completely new to you, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of English expressions and unravel the mystery behind twig on. Twig on is a phrase that can puzzle many, primarily because it's not widely used in contemporary English. This idiom, with its roots in British English, essentially means to suddenly understand or realize something. It's akin to the moment when a light bulb turns on in your head, and you finally get something. For instance, if someone says, "I twigged on why he was so nervous," it means they have understood the reason behind his nervousness. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember and use them correctly. Twig on is believed to derive from an old cant language used by thieves and vagabonds in Britain, where twig meant to watch or observe. Over time, it evolved in mainstream English to signify the moment of understanding or realization. Knowing this historical context can make the phrase more memorable. While twig on isn't commonly used in modern-day conversations, it can still be a quirky addition to your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in expressions with a vintage flavor. Use it when you want to express sudden understanding. For example, "It took me a moment, but I finally twigged on to what she was implying." He didn't twig on that it was a surprise party for him. Remember, due to its rarity, when you use twig on, you might also need to explain its meaning to your listeners. For those interested in English literature, spotting phrases like twig on can be exciting. It's often seen in older novels or texts. By understanding such expressions, you can appreciate the richness and evolution of the English language. If you're a reader or a student of literature, keep an eye out for this phrase and others like it. That's all about the phrase, twig on. We hope this video has not only added a unique phrase to your vocabulary but also shown you the charming evolution of English expressions. Remember, language is constantly evolving, and exploring it can be a delightful journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting English language explorations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.